Welcome to Toy Review UK. This is Theo, and today we are reviewing the fidget spinners, like the other one that we just did.
Wow, so this is some more cool fidget spinner tricks. This fidget spinner is available on Amazon. It's a really cool one. It's about 15 quid, and you can check out the link down below.
Ooh.
It's still spinning. It's still spinning. It's still spinning. So I've been practicing some tricks, and Theo has been inventing some more tricks. So let's have a look at your first trick, Theo.
So this is like one that's supposed to be for four, and you're supposed to flip it. So like that.
Wow, so you're flipping it round like that. That's pretty cool. Oh, look at that. I've just invented a new trick. Woohoo! Woohoo!
Yeah.
Woohoo!
That's another version
Woohoo!
of doing it. And that one was called the flip spin bottle.
The flip spin bottle. Wow.
Because it's like the bottle flip.
It's exactly like a bottle flip, isn't it?
And this is like a cartwheel one. So you go like this, then you try and make it spin, cartwheel all the way over, like this, to where you want it to be. And so you're supposed to go like this and spin it. But if you're really clever, you can make it go really fast.
Wow, that's pretty cool, isn't it?
That one was called cartwheel spin.
Cartwheel spin, wow.
And you can make it balance.
You make it balance? Show me how you make it balance.
So,
Wow! Good work! Proud face. What do you think of this fidget spinner, Theo?
it's good. Thanks for watching, like and subscribe.
Bye!